morning. We're looking today at the new Ashford wheel, the Kiwi 3. The Kiwi 3 supplants the Kiwi 2, which has been around for a long time, but it was time for an upgrade, so they did some upgrades to it. There are basically just about 3 differences that you'll notice on the wheel. One of them is a huge difference, so we'll save that one for last. But the first 2 are a little cosmetic, a little functional. The first thing is that you'll notice that the maiden bar sticks out a little bit further in the front, and there's a hole drilled in it so that you've got a convenient place to put your threading hook, which is always a tremendous thing to have. We like a place to stow the threading hook. The Kiwi 2 lacked that. The second difference is that the drive wheel is still MDF, medium density fiberboard, like it always was. But on the old wheel, it was not faced, and the new wheel has a very, very nice veneer on it, a nice wood grain New Zealand Silver Beach veneer, and it looks a lot nicer. It's also, the new one has 3 speeds up here at the top, where the old one only had 2. I guess there's 4 differences, aren't there? The biggest difference is that now this folds. As you can see looking at the base, it's always been a very, very deep wheel, so it's very inconvenient to fit into a bag and a little bulky to carry around, but now they've made it so that it folds up, which is really the biggest and best improvement of all. It still spins like it always did. It's a very, very nice, smooth spinning wheel, easy treadling, fairly inexpensive as far as spinning wheels go. Of course, it's less expensive if you get it unfinished. This one is a finished one, but I'll show you how it folds. All right, this is the folding thing. This is the biggest difference here. The knobs here loosen this so that it will fold up. First thing that you want to do is make sure that your footmen are like this, not crossed over each other, because it won't fold properly that way at all. So you're going to loosen the one on this side, loosen the one on that side, and then simply fold it up. And then tighten this down again. Now the prudent person, of course, will put a little scrap of wool or fabric or something in here to make sure that the crank sticking out of the footman doesn't make a nasty scuff or a mark here on your treadle. But that's all you need to do. Just fold it up, tighten up your screws again, and it will fit nicely into a bag this way. When it's time to unfold it, loosen them both, down it goes, tighten it up again, and you're ready to roll. So thanks for joining us today as we review the differences between the old Kiwi and the new Kiwi 3. It's a lovely wheel. Come on in and give it a spin. Remember, it takes the same gear as all the other Ashford wheels do, same gear as the old Kiwi, same flyer, same bobbins. All the parts are interchangeable. It's tremendous. Thanks again.